All right, first graders. So go ahead and get out your book. It says, "What is a scientist?" I also got out my crayons. I have a few crayons here. And you can write in a pencil or a pen. So the first thing you're going to do is it says, "What is a scientist?" by, you're going to put your name right there. So my name is Miss McKee. So that's what I would do first. And then you can color this page. So I have blondish hair, kind of brown now though. So that's a mix. So you might want to do this as well. And whether you're a boy or girl, you color that one, because this is your scientist book. And I'm going to have a little potion. And I'll have on black shoes. Okay, so once you finish that, you can, turn the page. And go to this page. And they're kind of tightly printed, tightly bound. That means put together. It says, "Blank are people who study things and try to explain how things work." Who do you think? What group of people do you think that is? If you said scientists, you are correct. So we're going to write scientists. It's S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S, I-S-T-S, scientists. Okay, so scientists are people who study things and try to explain how things work. Draw a picture of you and what you like to do. Okay, so you can go ahead and color a picture of yourself. I like to teach. So maybe I'd have a blackboard behind, a board behind me, and a pen and my pencil in my hand. You draw my hair. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you like it. That's what matters. Okay. I'll wear an orange short shirt, like a short sleeve. Okay, and there I am. So once more it says, one more second, forgot my shoes. Once more it says, "Scientists are people who study things and try to explain how things work." Okay, we'll do the next pages tomorrow. Bye everyone.